Wait there. Pause. Why? No, Diddy. Blaze the fire, the righteous fire. Blessings and love, my people, and with that, we're running right into it. And today we have Mark Shields talking about Sir P. People want to know what you think, We'll go through it and see where I'm dealing with. To me, I'm not really come off that honest, but make us see the thing.
This is really for TikTok now. You've listened to some of his videos, I assume. Sir P. Pollitricks Watch. The YouTube channel.
Oh.
You don't know about Sir P. You've never heard of it.
No.
Wow.
Is that bad?
In a way. Because you like...
Now, people, you can see why I say I don't think him come off as honest. Because this man is going to make me know, say, him not know who is Sir P. I mean, he's a man fully connected to Jamaica. It's not like him going back to England and done with Jamaica. He's a man fully connected to the police force, right? He not add up. He not add up at all. Now, Emily Crooks, husband is a journalist. Everybody know about Sir P, especially journalists, police. So it's kind of hard for buy that.
Not about Sir P. Pollitricks Watch. No.
What is it? Tell me what it is.
It's a popular YouTube channel.
All right, there's Nara asking, you don't know Sir P? So now me alone I think it not add up.
Where somebody with an obviously disguised voice is speaking on crime in Jamaica.
I know this. This is rubbish.
Wow.
It's rubbish. I've heard him. Yeah. I've seen
what
it.
What about it is rubbish?
Well, a lot of it is rubbish.
Okay.
And, I think I've been on it as well, in a not in a very positive manner.
All right, people, so story come to bump because him actually know Sir P now. And he must say, him think him even write a piece for him. And we would know, say, if you think the man write a piece for him and him that popular in Jamaica follow him that, you would know. It's not a think him right. You would have listen it and know what go on, man.
Because most of the stuff is complete bollocks. That's simple as that.
Yeah, there was a video.
That's a very British
Mark
word,
Shields believe Renita Adams was trying to get him that way.
Yeah, this goes on and you can sit there and scroll and scroll and scroll and you have to be careful because some of it is AI generated as well. But I've listened to that guy and he's talking about do not believe everything on social media. Most of it is complete bollocks. Check your sources. Go to CNN, the BBC, the Times, the New York Times or whatever and check what you're hearing.
Yo, Jonah Gang did have a song named In Too Deep. Him say if you watch CNN and believe everything, you're in too deep. And you were Mark tell you if you go do, listen to CNN. We all know say nowadays the mainstream media them corrupt. So we don't have to listen to them. Social media and other mediums, small mediums and private media, I take over and you're getting more facts and more journalism in terms of underground with nobody. I say you can't check this, you can't check that. That being said, with him just throwing Sir P to the side, boy, here am I saying about a lot of us would have had histories or a history of listening to this man talk about certain areas. If you are from certain areas, I am from an era where me hear him talk about names where people streetwise might know, but police not even know. And we look on each other like, yo, where the brother you come from? Especially back in the earlier days. Mind you, a lot of things where Sir P talk about in a modern days like cartel and so. But take it with a pinch of salt. I mean, nobody not perfect and there's clearly a rift between him and Vibes Cartel where you have to take, the sus, mad sus being gay and them little thing there with cartel and so. Although I say pinch of salt, you never know because this man has proven to be accurate. So much. When you hear this guy, it just at this where you just discard, anything that this man has done. It don't really add up. It really don't add up because we who on the ground, Jamaican people from different places, from the Mobile to the downtown, to the different part of Kingston, to the Spanish Town, to the Portmore, can verify that a lot of what he's saying. And him saying it before it happened, enough of the time. So when, it just not add up.
mention
I
it
do,
too.
so I do know it now.
Yeah.
I understand. You triggered my memory, and clearly
Yeah.
I do know, but it means so little to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's sad that people out there actually listen to that and believe it.
Right, so how
'Cause
can
most of
we?
it's rubbish.
So you have intelligence, like and I always say like police have more intelligence than the average individual, the average private citizen. Like how you, but with YouTube and the AI with misinformation and disinformation, like how can we really and truly whittle out what's true and what's not true? Because most people think that him have some intel and
Just
connection.
just act like a journalist or a detective. Check the sources. It's as simple as that. Do not just take for granted everything that you see and say, "Oh, that must be true. It's on YouTube or TikTok," because most of it is just completely.
No, I go act like
It's
him
as simple as that.
not truth still, because Mr. Shields might have mentioned that, a lot of fictitious things on the YouTube and the social media, and it's true. But I think he used that for coupling Serpy and just make him seem like one of them jokers channel there. And as I say, I don't idolize Serpy. I hear when him right and I hear when him wrong. Sometimes he sit down on a point too often and too long. And just a repeat, I told you. So, it's not perfection, but in terms of accuracy and lies and AI and all of that, it not add up. Implore if you go watch a whole episode of Mark Shields and the Fix, Just a little snippet. We see where it go in terms of this topic. Him not really like Serpy and him not really want to, discuss it. Later on you might hear him even talk, say him not want to stay too long on this topic. Even though that might be the topic people want to hear, so I don't get it. Talk about what man them talk about, what's so uncomfortable about a man where you say is so insignificant. Yeah, man, it just not add up. But a whole heap of things Serpy have been proven to, say, and it manifests itself. We know the C4 case, that is one of the biggest things, in recent history where you can say, there's no way this man not connected and know what going, We have a big witness, the biggest witness Jamaica has ever had in terms of, crime. Biggest ever. The first undercover kind of story we ever hear about with man. I got undercover in the Klangsman gang. Yeah, and them same man in cahoots with Serpy. So it's hard to say him not really connected or have certain links. It's obvious, Mark Shields, I don't know, him kind of off on this one. Not keeping it too long, people. Blessed, one love. Thanks for listening. Subscribe, share, like.